To create groups in Blackboard, log into your Blackboard course. Under the Control panel, select Users and Groups. Click on Groups. On the Groups page, move your cursor to the Create tab. Select Manual Enroll under Group Set. Choosing Group Set will allow you to create multiple groups at once. In Group Information, enter the name of the group. Do not include numbers, as Blackboard adds the group number to the group name automatically. In the box for description, enter the description of the group. Below the description box, select Yes for Group is visible to students. In the Tool Availability section, you can select from the following tools: Blogs, Discussion Board, Email, File Exchange, Journals, Tasks, Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and Wikis. Blogs allow group members to post entries and add comments to share ideas. You can enable grading for group blogs. Discussion Board allows a group to communicate. Select the option Do not allow student group members to create forums. Emails are sent to the students' external email addresses, which may be confusing for the students and yourself. It is advisable not to use this tool. File Exchange allows members to share resources. This tool is only available to groups. All members as well as the instructor can add files. They can also delete files regardless of who added them. Journals allow group members to share their thoughts with each other and communicate with you. Group journal entries are only visible to a group's member and you. You can enable grading for group journals. Tasks allow members to define and separate the workload into tasks, while distributing the list to their entire group. Each task has a status and a due date. Any group member can identify the group tasks and add them to the list. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra either allows or does not allow all group members to create and access session recordings. Wikis allow group members to collaborate as they view, contribute, and edit content. By default, all course members can read group wikis, but you must be a member of the group to make a comment on a group wiki page. You can enable grading for group wikis. The options for academic materials and content market tools are not available. The first time you work with groups, you may want to limit the tools they use to the discussion board. This will allow your groups or teams to have discussions and solve a problem or make a decision on some issue. It's usually a good idea to begin using a new technique on a simple level and then add features later. Allow personalization allows individual group members to personalize group modules. It is recommended to not allow it. Under Group Set options, enter the number of groups. Since the ideal number of group members is around 4, you can divide the number of students in your class by 4 to determine the number of groups. Checking Create Smart View for each group in set allows the instructor to view student data in the Grade Center on the basis of which group they are in. Click Submit.